Hello everyone! Ngayong araw ay magsosolve tayo ng problem about rectangular open channel. So let's start. Here's the problem. Water flow uniformly in a rectangular concrete open channel that is 10 meters wide at a depth of 3 meters. The channel slope is 0.0025 using roughness coefficient of 0.013. Find the velocity, flow rate, boundary shear stress in Pascal. So here's the figure. Sa figure is meron tayong base na 10 meters at depth na 3 meters. So ang una nating gagawin is i-identify ang mga given. Sa given, meron tayong base na 10 meters, depth na 3 meters, roughness coefficient na 0.013, at channel slope na 0.0025. Ang una nating kukunin is ang velocity. Para mahanap ang velocity, gagamitin natin ang Manning equation. Since given naman ang n at ang s, pwede na natin itong ilagay sa ating equation. Since walang value ang r, kailangan natin itong hanapin. Sa pagkuha ng r, gagamitin natin ang formula na R is equal to area over weighted perimeter. Kunin muna natin ang value ng area. Since rectangular shape ang ating channel, gagamitin natin ang formula sa pagkuha ng rectangle, which is ang area is equals to base times d o ang height. Since given naman ang ating base at ang ating depth, so ilalagay na natin siya sa ating equation. So 10 meters times 3 meters is equal to 30 square meters. Next is kunin na naman natin ang weighted perimeter. So P is equals to B plus 2D. Since given naman din ang base at ang depth, pwede na lang natin siyang i-input sa ating equation. So 10 meters plus 2 times 3 is equals to 16 meters. Since meron na tayong value ng area at weighted perimeter, pwede na natin kunin ang value ng R. 30 square meters divided by 16 meters is equal to 1.875 meter. Meron na tayong R. So, pwede na natin siyang i-input sa ating equation. So, ang value ng velocity is 5.848 meter per second. Next natin na kukunin is ang flow rate. Ang formula ng flow rate is Q is equal to area times velocity. Since meron naman tayong value ng area at ng velocity, so i-input na lang natin ito sa ating equation. So 30 square meters times 5.848 meter per second is equals to 175.44 cubic meter per second. Lastly is ang boundary shear stress in Pascal. Ang formula ng boundary shear stress in Pascal is tau is equals to gamma times r times s. Meron na tayong value ng r at ang s. Ang value naman ng gamma or unit weight of water is 9.81 kN per cubic meter. Since Pascal ang hinahanap, i-convert natin siya into Newton, which is 9,810 Newton per cubic meter. So, pwede na natin siya i-input sa ating equation. So, ang value ng boundary shear stress is 45.98 Pascal. Thank you for watching.